ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬም የማትሪክ ጥያቄዎችን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ እንደሚከተለው አቀርባለሁ። በዚሁ አጋጣሚ ቻናሉን ሼር ሰብስክራይብ እንድታደርጉ ጋብዛለሁ። Now let us consider the next question. Let triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with what? Angle C. Angle C is equals 90 degree. If the length side of AC is 4 centimeter, then what is the length of what? AB. We asked this one. Let us consider this figure. Now it makes what? 90 degree at C. Let's say this one is C. So let's consider this is A. Here what? Here is B. Then here is C. What is given at C? It is 90 degree and length of AC is what? It is given that 4 centimeter. What you asked? You asked the length of what? AB means what? The hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, which is particular isosceles. If it is isosceles, BC also what? Equivalent to what? AC. That means the side BC, this is equals what? That is AC. Why it is equal? Since the triangle is what? Isosceles triangle. It is given. Isosceles triangle ማለት ሁለቱ ሳይድ እኩል የሆነ ስለሆነ ያ ማለት ማለት ነው AC እና BC ዛር ምንድናቸው? ኮንግረንት ናቸው ወይም ደግሞ the same ነው ማለት። If that's so, we apply what? To find AB, we apply what? The Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem means this is what? AB, this is hypotenuse square. The square of this is equal to what? The square sum of what? The remaining sides. That means AC square plus what? This is BC square. Which is equal to what is AC square is what? That means 4 centimeters square, that means 16. 4 square. Plus the same BC also what equivalent with AC, that means 4 square is what? That is 16. Which is equal to 16 times 16 is what? This is 32. 32 means which is equal to 16 times 2. Here we go. So to find AB, take the squares of both sides. Both sides square roots in nose. Meanwhile, side AB is equivalent to the square root of 16 times 2. 16 times 2 ስለሆነ 16 ደግሞ perfect square ስለሆነ we can take out what? 4 ይወጣል ማለት። Then the remaining one is what? 2. So this is 4 square root of 2 centimeter ይሆናል ማለት። The side is this one. Which one is the correct answer from the given? That is B is the correct answer ይሆናል ማለት ነው። በዚህ መሰረት Pythagoras theorem apply አድርገን ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። Or if you want ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? በሌላ መንገድ AC እና BC equal ስለሆነ you can say this is B ማለት ትችላላችሁ። AC is what? Is equals what? That is side AC, that is B. Let's consider side BC is equals what? That is A. Then we'll try to find what? AB. Side AB which is equal to, let's say that is C. ይህን ማለትም እንችላለን። በዚህ መሰረት ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? That is A square plus B square is equals what? The hypotenuse square, that is C square ብለን መስራት እንችላለን. Which implies what? C is equal to what? The square root of what? A square plus what? B square ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን A እና B equal ስለሆኑ ምን ይሆናል? This is 16 4 square ማለት that is 16 ይሆናል plus 4 square ይሆናል. Which is equal to what? The square root of what? If you want 4 square into 1 plus 1 ይቀራል, that is 2 ይሆናል ማለት። 4 square ማለት perfect ስለሆነ we can take out 4 times what? The square root of 2 ይሆናል። The answer is what? As we did before, that is B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እንደዚህ አይነት መንገድ መስራት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። መልካም ጊዜ እንዲሆን እመኛለሁ። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር እና ላይክ እንድታደርጉ አሁንም በድጋሚ ጋብዛለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ እንዲሆን እመኛለሁ። Thank you. Let us continue our problem. What is the solution set of the equation which is given as forms log of this one? It is given as such forms. It's a ጥያቄ this is what? Logarithm function ጥያቄ ተሰጥቶናል ማለት. How can I solve this one? Before we are solving this logarithm function, it is better to use what? Or identify the domain of this function. ዶሜኑን አይደንቲፋይ ማድረጉ የተሻለ ይሆናል ማለት መጀመሪያ ከመስራታችን በፊት። What is that? Domain of what? Log of, here it says that x plus 1 base 4. The domain of this must be what? This log of x plus 1. X plus 1 must be what? Greater than 0 መሆን አለበት። ይሄ ምን ማለት ነው? This is x plus 1 is greater than 0. What does imply? This implies that x is greater than -1. And at the same time, you will try to find what? The domain of this one. Similarly, log of what? X in base 4. Domain of this implies that x must be what? Greater than 0. So, domain of our function f in general, the domain of our function is what? Must be what? The intersection of both. That means x greater than -1 and what? X greater than 0. What is common for both? Which implies that it is 0 to positive infinity. ስለዚህ ዶሜኑ እዚህ ውስጥ ሪስትሪክት መሆን አለበት ወይም እዚህ ውስጥ መገኘት አለበት። ይሄ ማለት ነው when we restrict our domain, this cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer since they consist of what? Negative ስለያዙ negative value ስላላቸው ምንድነው? They cannot be the answer. So the answer becomes what? Either B or D መሆኑን 50% ምን አደረግን ማለት ሪዱስ ያደረግነው ማለት ነው። የመስራት ቻንሳችንን ወይም ሜልስ መሆን ፖሲቢሊቲውን በ50% ቀንሰነዋል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ B ወይም D የማለት ፖሲቢሊቲ ስላለን 50% ቻንስ አለን ማለት ነው። ጥያቄውን እንኳን ባንሰራው 50% ሶሉሽኑን የማግኘት እድል ወይም ደግሞ ፖሲቢሊቲ ወይም ቻንስ አለን ማለት ነው። Now let's try to solve after identifying the universe or the domain of our function. Let's try to solve our problem. Solve scenario ምን ይሆናል? This is what? Log of this is x plus 1 in base 4 minus what? This is twice of log of x in base 4 is equal to what? 0.5. We are familiar about the properties of this one. If this one is what? The difference of the two function, that means logarithm function, that means we take what? The quotient of the function we have. If we have this is a coefficient 2, then it becomes what? That makes what? The power of this x. This becomes what? Which implies log of what? Log of x plus 1 in base 4 minus what? This becomes log of what? X squared in base 4 which is equals 1 over 2. ይሆናል ማለት 0.5 ማለት 1 over 2 ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር quotient difference of the logarithm function ለሆነ difference ከሆነ ምን ይሆናል ብለን quotient ይሆናል። This becomes what? Log of what? X plus 1 over x square in base 4 the same base ስላላቸው which is equals 1 over 2 እንላለን ማለት ነው። ይሄ logarithm function ደግሞ solve ስናደርግ ምን ይሆናል? It becomes what? Exponential function ይሆናል ብለን this is what? 4 the power of what? 1 over 2 is equal to x plus 1 over what? This is x square ይሆናል። For the power of 1 over 2 ማለት which is equal to what? Which implies the square root of 4 ማለት the square root of 4 means that is 2 which is equal to x plus 1 over what? X square ይሆናል ማለት what the value now? We can crisscross this one and solve the value of x which implies what? Which implies x twice of x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. ምን ይሆናል? ኳድራቲክ ኢኩዌሽን ስለሆነ ኳድራቲክ ኢኩዌሽን ከሆነ ደግሞ ጀነራል ኳድራቲክ ፎርሙላ አፕላይ በማድረግ we can solve the problem solve ማድረግ እንችላለን። ወይም you'll try to find two numbers whose sum is -1 የሆነ ድምራቸው ሲባዙ -2 የሆኑ ቁጥሮችን ወይም በመፈለግ መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። It is easy to find them. That means the numbers has what? -2 እና 1 መሆን ይችላል። -2 plus 1 -1 ይሆናል። -2 times 1 -2 ስለሚሆን we can consider this. So በዚህ መሰረት ምን ይሆናል? Which is equal to twice of x square minus this is 2x plus here is what? X minus 1 is equal to what? This is 0 ይሆናል ማለት What is common for the first these two terms? That is 2x is common. 2x የጋራ ስንወስድ what remains? X minus 1 ይሆናል ማለት plus the common term for the last two terms is what? That is 1. 1 ስለሆነ we can take x minus 1 is equals what? That is 0 ይሆናል። What is common now? እዚህ ጋር የጋራ ምን አለን? x minus 1 አለ እዚህም x minus 1 ስላለን which implies what? Which implies 2x plus 1 times what? Here is x minus 1. x minus 1 የጋራ ስንወስድ እዚህ ጋር 2x ይቀራል እዚህ ጋር 1 ስለሚሆን take their sum which is equal to 0. What the value now? The value becomes what? 2x plus 1 is equal to what? This 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 or what? X minus 1 is equal to what? 0. What the value now? This is 2x plus 1, 0 means what? That means x must be -1 over 2 or what? Or x is equal to what? 1. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer for our problem is what? It cannot be negative since this negative number cannot be in our domain here. Domaination ስላልሆነ the solution for our problem is what? This one. x is equals to 1 የሚለው ሶሉሽን መሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው from the given choice the value that is correct answer is what d ይሆናል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ከመስራታችን በፊት ዶሜኑን ወይም ዩኒቨርሳችንን ሪስትሪክት ማድረጉ it is better to solve our problem ያ ማለት ነው as we did here a እና c ኔጌቲቭ ነምበር ስለያዙ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው ኤክስክሉድ እናደርጋለን ማለት ከምርጫችን ውስጥ እናወጣቸዋለን ያ ከሆነ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው b ወይም d ማለት 50% ሪዱስ አድርገናል ማለት ፕሮብሌሙን ሪዱስ 50% ቀነስ ነው ማለት 50% የመልሱን የማግኘት እድል አለን ማለት ስንሰራው ደግሞ ይሄን ይሆናል በተመሳሳይ መንገድ ሌሎችንም ጥያቄዎች ለመስራት ሞክሩ መልካም ጊዜ እንዲሆን እመኛለሁ ስለዚህ ቻናሉ ሰብስክራይብ ሼር እና ላይክ እንድታደርጉ አሁን በድጋሚ ያስታውሳለሁ the next problem says that let z is equals to negative a plus 2i this w is equals 5 minus bi b to complex numbers where a and b are what a and b ምንድናቸው ተብሎ they are real number ናቸው so if z is equal to w እኩል ከሆኑ then which one of the following pairs of numbers are equal to a and b የተጠየቅነው a እና b መፈለግ ነው ስለዚህ ኮምፕሌክስ ነምበር ከተሰጠን that means what z is equal to that is w what does it imply this implies that negative a plus this is twice I the imaginary is equals what 5 minus what bi so to be equal that means the real part equals what the real part of what the left side the imaginary part of what the left side is equals what the imaginary part of what the right side ይሆናል ይሄ ማለት ነው negative a must be equals 5 at the same time and 2 must be equals what negative b መሆን አለበት ለምን real part to left side negative a ስለሆነ right side ደግሞ real part to 5 ስለሆነ you have to equate negative a እና 5ን equal እናደርጋለን imaginary part what left side 2 ነው imaginary part of the right side is equal negative b ስለሆነ you have to equate them what you have this becomes a is equals what multiply by negative 1 both sides this is negative 5 and what about b is equals what negative 2 ይሆናል ማለት the solution is what negative 5 and negative 2 ይሆናል respectively which one is the correct answer for our problem is what c ምንም የሰራነው ነገር የለም ምንድነው የምናደርገው ኢኩዌት ማድረግና real part equal ማድረግ ነው imaginary with imaginary part equal ማለት ነው so the solution for this is what c ስለዚህ ይሄንን range of the function ለማግኘት ምን እናደርጋለን it is better to find what horizontal asymptote እንፈልጋለን horizontal asymptote of what our rational function ይሄን ስንወስድ ይሆናል y is equals what the quotient of what leading coefficient የleading coefficientዎቹ quotient ሆነ ለምን ተመሳሳይ ዲግሪ ስላላቸው ይሄ ምን ይሆናል the leading coefficient for numerator is 2 the leading coefficient for denominator is 1 which is equals to what 2 ይሆናል ማለት y is equals to ስለዚህ range of our function ምን ይሆናል range of what this f range of our function f is equals what all real number except what except the horizontal asymptote that is 2 ይሆናል ማለት this is the answer በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ or ወይ ምን ማለት እንችላለን let's try to find the inverse of our function inverse ለማግኘት function የተሰጠን ምንድነው y is equal to what this is 2x minus 1 over x plus 3 ነው የተሰጠን ስለዚህ inverse ለማግኘት interchange x and y ብለናል that means x is equal to twice of y minus 1 over what this is y plus 3 ይሆናል ይሄ ከሆነ ነገር ግን inverse functionaችንን in terms of y ስለማናገኝ let's try to interchange x and y first then solve y in terms of x solve እናደርጋለን ይሄ ምን ሆነ multiply this one cross this x times y plus what this is 3x is equal to this is 2y minus what 1 ይሆናል ማለት ነው plus 3x is equals to y minus 1 ነው ስለዚህ collect y's and x ንም ኮንስታንቶቹንም with constant collect እናደርግ ምን ሆነ x times y minus what this is 2y is equal to negative 3x minus ምን ሆነ 1 ይሆናል ማለት what here we have y is common y into x minus 2 is equal to negative 3x minus 1 ይሆናል divide both sides by what x minus 1 this is divide x minus 2 sorry divide both sides by x minus 2 here also what divide by x minus 2 what the value now a value ምን ይሆናል which is equal to y is equal to what this is negative 3x minus 1 divided by what? This is x minus 2 ይሆናል። This becomes what? This is the inverse of our function. F inverse of x is equal to negative 3x minus 1 over what? X minus 2 ይሆናል ማለት። ይሄ ማለት range of the given function f is what? We know the property of this. But the domain of this f inverse is equal to what? All real number except what? The zeros of the denominator. The zeros of the denominator is what? 2 ስለሆነ except 2 እንላለን ማለት ነው። ይሄ ማለት ነው domain of what? We know this is f inverse is equal to what? This is range of what? Range of the function f ይሆናል ብለናል። በዚህ አይነት መሰረት domain of this f inverse range of f ስለሆነ yes they are equal. The answer for this is what? C ይሆናል ማለት ነው። all real number except 2 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ ሁለቱም ወይ መስራት እንችላለን we get the same result አንድ አይነት result ማግኘት እንችላለን። The other thing what we consider that what is the area of the region bounded by the graph of what? This f of x is equals x cubed and the x axis and on the interval this is -4 and 2 ነው የተባለው። ስለዚህ ይሄን ለመስራት ምን እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው you will try to sketch what? The graph of this function. Graph looks like this. ይኸውና like this ይሆናል ማለት ነው። This is a graph. ይሄ ከሆነ በኋላ it says what? The interval what? -1, -2, -3, -4. Let us consider this. እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ ደግሞ it is says what? That is 2. Here is 1 ቢሆን this is 2 ይሆናል። This is -4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So what is the area of this region ነው የተባለው። የዚህን area ከተጠየቅ ምን ይሆን 4 and 4 ከሆነ the region is this. ይሄ አንድ region አለ the other region is what? This one. ስለዚህ the area of this region ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ለምሳሌ ይሄኛውን area 1 ብንለው this is area 1 ቢሆን this is what? area 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The area of this region between -4 and 2 at the x-axis as well as what? f of x is equals x cubed means what? You have to have the sum of these two ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። ይሄንን ለማወቅ እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ the graph is what? below x-axis ነው። እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ ደግሞ above x-axis ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ ማለት ነው on the x-axis what the value of y? x-axis ላይ value of y ምንድነው? 0 ነው የሚሆነው። ስለዚህ value of between x-axis እና the function f of x ስለተባለ እዚህ function ላይ x-axis ላይ y value 0 ስለሚሆን ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? the value for this one is what? area 1 ምን ይሆናል? area 1 is equals what? The integration of what? between -4 to 0 yes እዚህ ጋር origin 0 ስለሆነ the value is what? f of x x-axis ከተባለ y value 0 ስለሚሆን 0 minus what? this f of x f of x አችን integration apply እናደርጋለን ማለት this is dx. Similarly a2 ምን ይሆናል? a2 is equals what? between 0 and 2 ይሆናል 0 2 ይሆንና ነገር ግን f of x አችን ምን ይሆናል? ከx axis greater ነው ወይም ደግሞ y is equal 0 ጋር greater ስለሚሆን take it f of x as it is f of x dx ይሆናል ማለት then what which is equivalent to this is 0 -4 to 0 what is f of x አችን ምን ይሆናል? x cube ስለሚሆን 0 minus x cube is what? negative x cube ይሆናል dx ይሆናል ማለት this is equal to what? this is negative x cube means what? negative x the power of 4 plus 4 between what? -4 0 ይሆናል ማለት this integration ይሆናል 0 ስንተካ ምን ይሆናል? 0 ይሆናል this is equal to what? which is equal to 0 minus -4 the power of 4 divided by what? that is 4 ይሆናል 4 the power of 4 over 4 ምን ይሆናል? 4 the power of 3 ይሆናል negative it becomes what? positive ስለሚሆን this is what? 64 ይሆናል ማለት ለምን 4 cube ማለት 64 ስለሆነ this is a1 similarly a2 ጋር ስንመጣ this is 0 to 2 f of x is what? that is x the power of 3 ይሆናል dx what that? this is the integration of this is what? x the power of 4 over 4 እንላለን ፓወር ሩል እና አፕላይ እናደርጋለን ለምን reduced by 1 ስለሚሆን ደርቢስ እናደርግ ኢንተግሬት እናደርግ ግን ምን ይሆናል you have to add the power by 1 increase by 1 as well as divide by the same power this is between 0 to 2 ይሆናል which is equal to 2 the power of 4 over what? that is 4 ይሆናል which is equal to what? 2 the power of 4 divide by what? 2 the power of 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው reduce by 2 ስንቀንስ this is equal to 2 the power of 2 ይሆናል which is equal to 4 ሆነ ማለት so what is the sum of what is the area of this means area ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው area is equal to what? area 1 plus area 2 ይሆናል this is equal to what 64 plus what this is 4 unit square ስለሆነ which is equal to 68 square units ይሆናል ማለት በዛ አይነት መንገድ መስራት እንችላለን the answer for this question is what D ይሆናል ማለት ምንድነው የምንሰራው directly integrate ብናደርገው we may not obtain what the result to solve such problem it is better to observe the properties of the graph የግራፋችን property ማየት የግድለናል in which case it is below x-axis in which case it is above x-axis ነልና divided into 2 or 3 region ልንከፍለው እንችላለን ያን የከፋፈልነው region finally take the sum of the individual values እንወስዳለን ማለት እያንዳንዱን ኤሪያ ድምር ስንወስድ የቶታል ኤሪያ ይሆናል ማለት ነው በተሰጠን ኢንተርቫል መሰረት ነገር ግን የዚህኛው ችግሩ directly integrate ማናደርግበትን ኬዝ ስታዩት let's try to see this one የዚህ ኢንተግሬሽን ዳይሬክትሊ ብትወስዱ -4 2 ብትሉ ለምሳሌ x cube dx ቢሆን but what this means የዚህ ኢንተግሬሽን ማለት x the power of 4 over 4 ስለሚሆን between what -4 2 ይሆናል ይሄን ስታውቁት ምን ይሆናል this is 2 the power of 4 over what that is 4 minus what minus -4 the power of what that is 4 divided by what that is 4 ይሆናል ማለት what ይሄ ማለት to the power of 4 means what 16 over 4 minus what this is 4 the power of what 4 over what 4 ይሆናል ማለት ለምን ይሄ ይሆናል -4 the power of 4 ማለት even ስለሆነ ፓወሩ negative times negative times negative times negative even times ስለሆነ that is what positive ይሆናል ማለት which is equal to 16 ሲቀነስ 4 ምን ይሆናል ማን ነው 16 ሲካፈል 4 4 ይሆናል ሲቀነስ ይሄኛው ፓወር 1 ስላለ 4 the power of 3 ይሆናል this is 4 the power of 3 ይሆናል ለምን ፓወሩን ስለምናቀናንስ በኮኤፊሺየንት ጊዜ this is equal to ምን ይሆናል 4 minus 4 the power of 3 ማለት 64 ነው 64 ማለት ደግሞ 4 ሲቀነስ 64 ምን ይሆናል ኔጌቲቭ 60 ይሆናል ኔጌቲቭ 60 ኤሪያው ፖዚቲቭ ነው መሆን ያለበት ኔጌቲቭ ነው የሆነው ግን ኔጌቲቭ መሆኑ ብቻ ሳይሆን አብሶሉት ቫልዩ እንኳን ብንወስድ it is 60 ነው የሚሆነው it is not the answer for our problem ፕሮብሌማችን ግን መልስ መሆን አይችልም ዳይሬክትሊ ኢንተግሬት አድርገን መውሰድ አንችልም ኢንተርቫሉ where the graph lies ግራፉ ምን ይመስላል የሚለውን ፕሮፐርቲ as we did before በኔጌቲቭ 4 እና በ0 መካከል ምን ይሆናል below x axis ነው በ0 እና በ2 መካከል ደግሞ above x axis ስለሆነ ሪጅናችን የተሰጠን ምንድነው በx axis እና በተሰጠን ፈንክሽን with interval መሰረት ያለውን ኤሪያ ስለሆነ ውሰዱ ወይም ደግሞ ፈልጉ የተባልነው ስንሰራ what we did before የሰራነው ትክክል ነው ይሄኛው ግን ኮሬክት መሆን አይችልም ማለት ስለዚህ ዳይሬክትሊ ምን ማድረግ አንችልም ኢንተግሬት ማድረግ አንችልም first you will try to observe what property ባህሪውን የግራፉን ፕሮፐርቲ ማየት የግድ ይለናል ማለት ነው አመሰግናለሁ ቻው